Hi, Mignonette Bailey here, checking in from the garden with your down and dirty garden tip. My tip for you today is identify your garden enemies. Now, I talked about in a previous video about identifying your allies, but you certainly need to know who your enemies are in the garden. Some of the most notorious pests include aphids, caterpillar worms, locusts, also known as grasshoppers. These things, if left unchecked, can take your garden down. That's just a few. There are certainly many more. Head on over to Amphy and sign up for my gardening classes. I would love to be part of your gardening journey and teach you more about what garden pests to look out for. Happy growing.